Welcome dear students. Now I am going to discuss about some verbs which generally are not used in present continuous tense, and generally these verbs are used in simple present tense when they refer to the continuous tense, but they cannot be used in present continuous tense. These verbs which cannot be used in continuous tense or these non-continuous verbs are see, hear, smell, notice, recognize, appear, look, seem, want, wish, desire, feel, like, love, hate, hope, refuse, prefer, think, suppose, believe, agree, consider, trust, remember, forget, know, imagine, mean, mind, understand, have, own, possess, belong to, consist of, contain, be. These verbs generally are not used in present continuous tense. That's why we cannot say I am seeing an aeroplane. That's why we cannot say like this, I am seeing an aeroplane. It is wrong. We should say I see an aeroplane. We cannot say I am seeing an aeroplane. It is wrong. We should say I see an aeroplane. But we should remember that in some special cases, particularly when these verbs changed their meaning, in that cases they can be used in present continuous tense. For example, I am giving here some examples. For example, example 1, I am seeing him. I am seeing him tomorrow. For example, I am seeing him tomorrow. Here we can use present continuous tense, and we can also use the verb see in present continuous tense, because here the verb see, it is changing its meaning. Here I am seeing him tomorrow. This sentence actually means I have an appointment. I have an appointment with him tomorrow. Actually, I am seeing him tomorrow. This sentence actually means I have an appointment with him tomorrow. That means these verbs in some special cases can be used in present continuous tense, but at that time their meanings are changed. For example, this. Similarly, another one I am giving here. Another one, example 2, I am seeing and seeing. I am seeing and seeing. This sentence is also right, because here I am seeing and seeing means I am continuously observing. I am continuously observing. That's why this sentence also is right. Similarly, when the verb feel is used in comparative degree, when the verb feel is used in comparative degree, then we can use the verb in present continuous tense. For example, are you feeling better now? Are you feeling better now? Here it is in comparative degree. That's why we can use here present continuous tense. Okay.